Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we're going to talk about two new additions that I have. These are the potato planting bags. As you can see, we have a kind of a small one here and the green one, and then kind of like a medium large here. As you can see, this has been over a week. This is the soil that we got from Costco. This is the mixture of that. If you don't know what kind of soil it is, if you actually go to doing the garden, it'll show you what we have, and I'll kind of put that link in the description. And this is after almost about a week, 10 days, we're already getting the breakthrough. Same thing with here. This was something new my wife found and wanted to try, but the great thing is it has this little velcro right here that you can open up to get your potatoes out instead of having to dig. So just trying to do something different, trying to push the envelope with this, with the gardening. This is the same thing down here. These are kind of cute. My wife thinks they're kind of cute, and I think it's something kind of interesting to see. If you're able to grow, is it easier to do the potatoes to pull them out? We're going to find out in time. Now what we're going to do is we're also going to show you an update of our garden. This is our potato. As you can see, it is starting to bust through the chicken wire, and some of them, as you can see here, have already done that, and some are getting ready to grow, and it is absolutely growing fantastic. And I think this is like maybe 3 weeks, so just super excited. I think I must have lost one right here in the middle. I think another one must have got dug out like I should in the video, why I had to do the chicken wire and that. But these are growing fantastic. We're in June, I think. In July, I think, is when we're able to do the Redskins here. So I'm just going to be patient. We have it on our calendar, but then after that, I think like end of July, early August is the gold ones here. So good with that. Also, we're going to scroll over to our plants here. As you can see in the back, our tomato plants are growing fantastic. They've already made through the first hoop, and we're just continuing to grow. While we're at it, bring that one up so it just continues to grow up. So these are growing very well. Got our cucumber plant there to our left that is starting to grow really good. Hopefully probably about another maybe a month or two we'll probably start to see some grow of the cucumbers. But the peppers, if you zoom in, you can see we're starting to get the flowers, the buds and stuff like that to get ready to do the peppers on all of them. So that is exciting to see for the peppers. Update on the soaker hose, I'm not sure I'm going to continue to do it because I've done it a couple times and it's not pushing the water out for that, so I'm probably just going to end up using the nozzle that I have for the hose. But I'm going to give it one more try to make one more tweak to see if it's going to work. But if not, I think this soaker hose is going to go. But this is a soaker hose from Harbor Freight. And last but not least, we go to the eggplant. As you can see, we got our eggplants. These are starting to grow really good. Some new flowers and everything, just really starting to go. As you can see, it's a little bit wet because we've been getting some rain, so I really haven't had to use my rain barrels in that. So, but all in all, super excited with what we've got the process right now and with our two little bags. So that's going to wrap this video up. So let me know what you guys think of my new additions of the two little potato bags. Let me know if you guys have tried anything like that. Write those down below. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.